Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how can we apply bubble picture list layout in Microsoft Excel. So for that, you have to select the picture and then you have to click on this format tab followed by picture layout. When you click on that, after clicking, the second option in this fifth row is bubble layout list. When you keep your cursor over there, then it will be temporarily applied on your picture. But to apply it permanently, you have to click on that, and just after clicking, this layout will be applied. And here if you see, here it is a small arrow. When you click on that, then you can enter the text. After entering the text, you can press enter to add more pictures, the more bubbles. And similarly, if you press backspace, then the picture will be deleted including the text. I will close this. Now you can edit the text by selecting it and using this font group to edit the text, or you can use this word art style in this smart art tools. Similarly, you can resize the picture or you can edit it by selecting and using this picture tool format to edit the picture, or you can add any effect. You can edit the text again, or you can move the text from here to here. Now to edit the layout, you can select it and use the smart art tools design to change the color of your layout. So that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.